Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Jennifer and this is
Ashlyn.
And today we are going to be doing a Young Living Essential Rewards points haul. For those of you who don't know, Young Living is an essential oil company that sells essential oils, oil-infused products, skincare products, nutritional supplements, all kinds of different items. And as a member of Young Living, I signed up for the Essential Rewards program, which allowed me to get points towards free items. So basically what that program is that you have to spend at least $50 a month on products from Young Living. You get discounted shipping, you get exclusive loyalty rewards, you get points to spend towards future items that you want to order. So today we're going to show you what's inside of our box, and we've already opened the top of it, so we're just going to go ahead and show you what we got. Now usually when I spend my points on things that are my staples, the things that we're going to use regularly. And so one of the things that we were running low on were these Thieves Sprays, and these are something I never go without. So basically I ordered a 3-pack of them, and the Thieves Spray contains the famous Thieves Essential Oil Blend. This spray is perfect for keeping in your purse, to spray on dirty surfaces like doorknobs or tables or things like that. But I also like to use this nightly to spray on Ashlyn's feet to try to keep her above the wellness line, to keep her healthy and well. So we got a 3-pack of that. And then I ordered some of my favorite essential oil blends and singles that I use all the time. So we're going to start with the first tube. Ashlyn, you want to go ahead and open that up? Got to open the end and shake it out. Let's see what we have first.
It isn't coming out, Mom.
I'll help you. So the first one that we got was the Lime Essential Oil Single. We love lime in our house. Lime is a great, refreshing scent to have. I like to use this with some of my tropical diffuser blends and things like that. So it just has that really nice, refreshing smell. The next essential oil single that we got was the Orange Essential Oil. And this is another one. Basically, orange and lime are probably two of my favorite essential oil singles. This is another great one. I like orange to add to all my different diffuser blends. It's great for your spring and summer diffuser blends, but it's also perfect to add to like your fall and winter blends. I love orange and Thieves together. Orange and Stress Away, it smells like a creamsicle, so this is another great one to keep on hand all year round. And these two, the lime and the orange, are very inexpensive. You know, I think the orange is like maybe $11 at the most, and lime is like $12, and there's about 250 drops in those bottles, so they last a good long time. And then next that we got for free, this is one that I love to keep on hand during the fall and the winter months. It's the Raven Essential Oil Blend. Raven is great for supporting your respiratory and immune systems. And so I love to diffuse this one at night during the fall and winter months. Let me read what Raven has in it. Since it's a blend, it has more than one oil in it. So Raven contains Ravensara, peppermint, eucalyptus radiata, wintergreen, and lemon. And it says it's a cleansing blend of Ravensara, peppermint, eucalyptus radiata, and other essential oils. Raven creates a cooling sensation when applied topically to the chest and throat. So that is a perfect essential oil blend to add to like coconut oil to rub on the chest when you need to help support your breathing when you're not feeling 100%. And then the last free item that we got with our Essential Rewards points is the Stress Away Essential Oil Blend. And the funny thing about Stress Away is the first time I smelled it when I got my premium starter kit, probably over 4 years ago, I did not like the smell of it. And I thought it was funny because everybody called it vacation in a bottle, and I really was not liking the smell of it, but I've really grown to love it, and it's just one of those great essential oil blends that's great for diffusing after a long day. It's just relaxing and uplifting, and it's very calming. And let me read to you what Stress Away has in it. Stress Away contains copaiba, lime, cedarwood, vanilla, ocotea, and lavender. And it says it is the first product to contain the unique combination of lime and vanilla pure therapeutic grade essential oils. With an aroma that is a perfect blend of tropical and citrus, Stress Away is uniquely relaxing and comforting. So I love to diffuse Stress Away with lime because it smells like a margarita, but I also love to diffuse it with the orange because it smells like a creamsicle. So if you have any questions about Young Living or their products or how to get signed up for their Essential Rewards program, just feel free to leave me a comment in the comment section below. That's all we've got for today. Until next time, bye guys.